So at this point, we've just come up to the end of the load test. We had 3 errors along the way. We can see what those errors were. So 3 out of 17,000 queries failed for some reason. We don't know why. We'd need to look into why on that. We can look at the results down here. And just here's the overall chart. And what's going to happen is we run this different test multiple times here. You're going to be able to compare the results. Things like 17,000 queries completed in that minute of ramp up and minute of runtime, with 46 millisecond as our P95 or 95th percentile. 95% of the time, queries are finishing quicker than 46 milliseconds.
And on that previous screen, we show a few different of the P numbers. You'll have your P99, which is 99% of the time queries are finishing. I can see 27,000 milliseconds. So about 2.7 seconds, which is not good by any means.
Yeah, and what's interesting, you say it's not good. Well, it's good that we've found this. It's good that we understand our baseline now, but it's not good because what we're missing is, I mean, we can't handle the load. And the key here is overall, the sustained throughput was about 125 to 150 connections per second. So if you've got that big website sale and your website is opening up to more than 125 queries per second, and keeping in mind, this is queries just for this one query being run. If there's 5 other queries being run on each page load, you can have those kind of things to consider too. But what that's showing is that that's where it's going to max out. And frankly, 125 a second is not very good for SQL Server. I mean,
all of these charts kind of paint a picture too. You have to look at everything in one. You have to encompass everything. So, I mean, a single user waiting 2.7 seconds for their orders. If this is someone using web app, that's slow. I don't want to wait almost 3 seconds for that to happen on a web store.